So now let's look at this question. A cylinder has a radius of 7 centimeters and a height of 10 centimeters. So as we have it here, the radius is 7 centimeters and the height here is given as 10 centimeters. So find each one total surface area when it is closed at what? Both ends. Then after that, find each what? Volume. So if the cylinder is closed at both ends, this is how the net will be. The net of that cylinder, this is how it's going to be. We have a circular here, another circular here, which means that it is closed at both ends. So when looking at this, we have two circular objects here, then the rectangle. So when you look at this, we can say that for us to find the total surface area, then we need to what? Add this, the area of this. So the area of the first circle plus the area of the second circle plus what? The area of the rectangular part. So when you look at this, to find the area of this is what? Pi radius squared, and this is also what? Pi radius squared plus this is 2 pi radius, because this is the circumference, and then this is what? The height. So 2 pi radius height. Now, when we take all this and we simplify it, we are going to get 2 pi radius out, then radius plus the height. So this is the formula for finding the total surface area of a cylinder closed at what? Both ends. Then for the question, we have our radius r, which is equal to 7 centimeters. Our height is 10 centimeters. Then we are going to take pi. Pi is not given in the question, so we assume that our pi is equal to 22 out of 7. So the 22 out of 7 is our pi. So we are going to put these figures into the relation 2 pi radius into bracket radius plus the height. So 2 pi radius into bracket radius plus the height. So 2 times the pi is 22 out of 7 times the radius. So the radius we have here is 7. So 7 centimeters. Then into bracket, the radius plus the height. The radius is 7 centimeters plus the height of 10 centimeters. So here the 7 will cancel the 7 that we have here. Then we have 22 times 2 here. So that will give us 44 centimeters. Multiplying what we have in the bracket. So 7 plus 10 will give us 17. So we have the 17 centimeters here. So 4 centimeters times 17 centimeters will give us 748 centimeters squared. So this 748 centimeters squared is the total surface area of a cylinder where closed at both ends if the radius is 7 centimeters and the height is 10 centimeters. Now we come to the volume of a cylinder. So volume, we say the volume is equal to the area of the base. So area of the circular base here times the height. So for us to find the area of the circular base, the area is the pi radius squared, then times what? The height. So the pi is 22 out of 7 times the radius, 7 centimeters. So that's 7 times 7. So 7 centimeters times 7 centimeters times the height, which is 10. So 10 centimeters there. So here, this 7 will cancel the 7 here. Then 22 times 7 will give us 154 centimeters. So 154 centimeters squared times the height, which is 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters. And all is going to give us 1,000. So all is going to give us 1,540 centimeters cubed. because volume is measured in cubic units. So if the cylinder is having a radius of 7 centimeters and a height of 10 centimeters, its volume is going to be 1,540 centimeters cube.